Hi there, I'm John Bond from Riverwinds Consulting, and this is Publishing Defined. Today I'm going to be talking about ONIX in publishing. ONIX stands for Online Information Exchange. ONIX refers to an XML standard metadata format in publishing. Originally, it allowed book publishers to create and manage a collection of rich metadata about their products and to exchange it with their commercial and non-commercial partners, such as distributors, in a coherent and automated manner. According to EDItEUR, ONIX is, quote, an XML-based family of international standards intended to support computer-to-computer communication between parties involved in creating, distributing, licensing, or otherwise making available intellectual property in published form, whether physical or digital, unquote. Now called ONIX for Books, it is expanded to include ebooks. ONIX for Books is at release 3.0. ONIX is used worldwide and is the product of a collaboration with many professionals led by EDItEUR, an international group coordinating the development of standards infrastructure, and the American Association of Publishers, and the Book Industry Study Group in the US, and Book Industry Communications in the UK. EDItEUR is now charged with maintaining ONIX. A second flavor of ONIX was developed called ONIX for Serials to capture metadata for serials or subscription products. It is a family of XML formats for communicating information about serial products and subscription information. There are several sub-formats in this area. Finally is the third standard, ONIX for Publications Licenses. It was created to handle the licenses under which libraries and other institutions use digital resources. There are several companies that provide ONIX software applications, including, most notably, Firebrand's Eloquence on Demand and Clapotech, as well as Book Connect, ONIX Edit, ONIX Suite, Styson Title Manager, and BiblioLive. All publishing operations, particularly in book and ebook publishing, need rich formatted metadata and to provide it in an industry standard format with their parties, and ONIX is the answer. Well, that's it. I'm a publishing consultant and work with associations, publishers, and individuals on a host of content-related challenges. Reach out to me with your questions. Hit the like button below if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel or click on the playlist to see more videos about scholarly publishing. And make comments below or email me with any questions. Thanks so much and take care.